In December 2024, Shopify will be removing their own geolocation app, which means you'll need to find a new geolocation app for your stores if you plan on selling internationally. The automatic redirection that Shopify currently offers is okay, but if you want your store to stand out, having a geolocation app is the way to go. Geolocation is essential for presenting your customers with the correct products, the correct price, the right language, and giving them a better overall experience based on their location. If not, they'll land at the checkout with a bad experience, and if the price changes, you can be sure that you'll miss out on customers. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best Shopify geolocation apps to choose for your Shopify store. So if you're selling internationally or you're planning to expand your store globally, this video will help you choose the right tool for geolocation and help you improve your customer experience. Now, an amazing geolocation app I've used is the Orb geolocation app. Orb is the leading geolocation app for Shopify with over 5,000 merchants worldwide, and Orb is built specifically for Shopify. It natively integrates with Shopify markets, which means you can sell overseas easily. Orb allows you to personalize the entire pop-up and suggests the best localized experience based on the user's country and language. Orb also allows customers to change their country and language preferences easily within the storefront. Orb gives customers the ability to seamlessly guide between multiple Shopify stores or regions. So if you have a store, for example, in Europe and in the US, they can easily navigate between the two. You can also sync customer geolocation preferences with tools like Klaviyo for personalized email marketing using the Orb app. Another cool feature is being able to customize pop-up text for unsupported countries, making it clear to those customers why your store isn't available in their location. Another geolocation app you could consider is one called GeoIP. GeoIP does allow you to customize your store's pop-ups, but unlike Orb, it doesn't integrate with Shopify markets, so it's not really ideal. You also have the Geo Pro app, which again does allow you to customize your geolocation pop-ups, but it doesn't automatically redirect customers on their second visit to your store. And that's something that Orb does offer. So again, that's another reason why I prefer the Orb app. So from trying out a few of these apps, for me, Orb is the clear winner. Orb seems to be the only geolocation app that supports multi-language pop-ups and deep integration with Shopify markets. And unlike some of the other apps I mentioned, Orb is the only app I could find that is fully configurable from the Shopify theme editor, which guarantees the most native experience for your Shopify customers. If you're a cross-border seller, you can use both single and multiple expansion stores when using Orb. So again, for example, if you're selling to the US and to the EU, you can have one store for each region. So let me show you a quick example of what I mean. This store here by Victoria Beckham actually uses the Orb app. And as you can see, they have one store for the US and one store for the UK, and the customers are redirected accordingly to these stores by the Orb geolocation app. And from testing it on my store, one thing I noticed is that it doesn't actually affect your site speed or your SEO. So like I say, for me, Orb is the clear winner when it comes to geolocation apps for Shopify. And Orb is also compatible with stores using Global E for international payments and compliance. So if you do want to start using the Orb geolocation app on your Shopify stores, you can use the code ElliotPrendy for 30% off of your first 3 months of your plan, which is a deal that's only exclusive to my viewers, by the way. So you can check out the link in the description to learn more about the Orb geolocation app and how it can transform your store's international presence. If you do want to start selling globally, selling internationally, I recommend to check it out. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping and e-commerce content, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.